In this lesson, we will see together les pronoms. Réfléchis, but more precisely, we will see te. So, this lesson is about te. And the reflexive pronoun te can be translated into English as yourself or you. Remember, it will be the singular you in English. So let's see some examples with te. Tu te brosses les dents. Tu te brosses les dents. Tu te couches tard. Tu te couches tard. Tu te rappelles de ce moment? Tu te rappelles de ce moment? Tu te prépares pour la fête. Tu te prépares pour la fête.